Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality K1C 3D Printer. Creality K1C 3D printer equips 600 mm per second printing speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. It is 12 times faster than the other normal 3D printer. Give good printing experience to customers and get a good model in short time. Printing size is 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inch. Creality K1C is well assembled and tested before shipment. After unboxing, it is ready for plug and play. The boot-up guide is similar to that of a new smartphone. 3 minutes from unboxing to powering on, you can start print quickly. Also, the auto calibration help you to print easily. Auto Z offset, auto leveling and auto input shaping test, all of the auto operations save your time largely. Give it a tap and walk away. The auto calibration gets everything ready for you. Bid farewell to the frustrating leveling test with paper. It can print carbon fiber filament and many kinds of filament. The K1C 3D printer equips a clog-free direct extruder enhanced a bolster spring and a ball plunger. It grips on filament tightly without slackening off. The durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is integrated with a titanium alloy heat brake. It blocks heat creep and can be swapped super easily. The extruders support 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature printing. Creality K1C equips observant AI camera, recognize spaghetti failure, foreign matter, debris, etc., and support real-time monitoring and time-lapse filming. Number 2. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer does not only bring high-quality 3D print technology right to your doorstep by means of its huge internal memory and Wi-Fi radio with an inbuilt camera, but it does so at a price that cannot be beaten by any manufacturer in the industry. Just a single tap on the touchscreen and the leveling system is brought to life for work to begin. Additionally, you can swap out the print nozzle very quickly without using a single tool. And if you want to start a new print right after you have completed a new project, you can also swap in a second build plate which can be heated to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. In terms of usability, this printer is right up our street as it's ready to print immediately after unboxing. And in case you find it necessary, you can adjust the nozzle bed distance easily using the touchscreen interface. And an even more exciting fact is that your MP Voxel can be operated remotely from any location through Wi-Fi connection since it is Polar Cloud enabled. This feature also allows you to handle multiple printers at the same time as well as queue jobs, slice models, and check on the progress of work at any given time. Overall, this is a very efficient 3D printer that comes ready with an 8GB internal memory, a USB port, a Wi-Fi radio with a hotspot and an inbuilt camera that keeps track of activities going on during the entire printing process. Number 3. Entina 2 3D Printer. If you're brand new to the world of 3D printing and not sure you're ready to commit to the steep price tag that can come with the hobby, the Entina 2 is your best bet. It's also a great way to share a love of STEM with younger generations. Our reviewer writes, "I love that Entina offers a great way to get your kid involved. I think setup alone would be a good learning experience." Transparently designed as a machine for kids and beginners, we have great things to say about the tiny Tina 2, even for those who have some experience in printing but need to stay budget conscious. Similar to the AnkerMake M5C, it strikes a good balance of function and cost by removing unnecessary features that are more or less standard on most products these days without cutting into the bone. The max extruder temp of 245 degrees Celsius is one of the lowest in our tested lineup, but considering the target audience, this makes sense. However, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. With print dimensions of 100 mm x 120 mm x 100 mm, the build volume is smaller even than most technologically limited resin printer options. This machine is made to print toys and knickknacks, giving a creative outlet to the STEM-curious little one in your life. You won't find the best print quality here, but maybe you simply don't need it. A giraffe figurine is a giraffe figurine all the same, no matter if you can feel a little texture from the build lines. If this sounds a little too simple for you, though, the Creality Ender 3 is another popular low-cost option, and the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini would also be a good option to consider. But for what it is, the Entina 2 is a fantastic value, combining good, not great, performance with top-notch support assets and stellar ease of use. Number 4. Creality K2 Pro Combo 3D Printer. Creality K2 Pro Combo 3D Printer combines with a K2 Pro 3D printer and a CFS, which can fulfill the multicolor printing. Up to 16 colors can be printed together. Single color printing is tedious. This printer brings you a new experience in printing job, increasing much fun in your life. An intelligent management of multiple filaments, no worry to paint your prints. Creality K2 Pro Combo, adopting industry-grade 3-step servo motors located in the extruder and on the X/Y axis work together to take extrusion consistency and printing accuracy to the next level. Smart auto leveling speeds up the bed leveling process by probing only where your model will be printed. Nozzle Al camera for adjusting nozzle flow rate in real time, preventing under or over extrusion. Chamber Al camera for watching over printing failures such as spaghetti, foreign objects, idling, etc. and notify users to take action, reminding users if the heatbed is empty without a build plate, capturing 3D printing for sharing. Active chamber heating on the Creality K2 Pro and K2 Plus maintains a stable chamber temperature, up to 60 degrees Celsius, helping prevent corner warping when printing with filaments like ASA and PPA. An actively heated chamber pairs with a steel-tipped nozzle up to 350 degrees Celsius. No sweat to deal with high-end materials such as PCF, ASA, and PPA. The nozzle, capable of reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius and featuring a hardened steel tip, is built for abrasive engineering filaments. Number 5. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer. With a 10-inch 12K mono LCD boasting an incredible resolution of 11,520 x 5120 and an XY resolution of 19 by 24 micrometers, you can print highly detailed models with stunning clarity and precision. The 9H tempered glass above the LCD provides excellent durability and scratch resistance, effectively protecting the LCD screen from scratches and damage. With a spacious build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 260 mm superscript 3/8.62 x 4.84 by 10.24 inches, you can print larger objects with ease or multiple smaller models at once, increasing your productivity. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra Resin 3D Printer is powered by a brand new Linux OS with 4G RAM, which ensures stable file transfer and faster running speed, making your printing experience smoother and more efficient. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra Resin Printer supports Wi-Fi transfer of files, with transfer speeds of 6 to 10 megabits per second, and is compatible with both 2.4G and 5G networks, giving you the flexibility to transfer your files from your computer or mobile device with ease.